Alright, so as the full specs of the Unihertz Tank X has been leaked, let us compare its specs with that of the Tank 4 Pro, which is its predecessor, to see the differences and similarities between both devices, to see if this device is really an upgrade over the Tank 4 Pro. I'll also compare it with the Tank 3 Pro as well in a separate video. Anyway, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So there you have it, guys, the Unihertz Tank X versus the Tank 4 Pro. Personally, I don't think the Tank X is an upgrade over the Tank 4 Pro. As you can see, the specs of both devices are very similar, and both devices are expected to have very similar prices as well. So if you have the Tank 4 Pro, you don't need to upgrade to the Tank X because the Tank X isn't an upgrade. It only has a much more better projector than the Tank 4 Pro. But that's my opinion. What are your thoughts? Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.